welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be our Allure Beauty Box. I have here my August Allure Beauty Box, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys what came inside this month's box. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Are new to my channel or you're new to these Allure Beauty Boxes, they are a monthly subscription service. It's $15 a month and you receive some full-size items and some sample size items. They're normally pretty good boxes and you definitely get your values worth. So I'm excited to see what came inside this month's box. I'm going to have the link down below if you guys want to go ahead and sign up for it or check it out. But let's go ahead and get started. So here is the package that I got this month. So it came in like this neon green bag. I'm going to go ahead and start digging into the products. So the first thing I see is from Benefits. This is their Real Mascara. So here is what that one looks like. I have used this before. I do really like this mascara. It is just a little like deluxe sample size, but I know they sell these. I think they're around $12 or so for the like deluxe size. So here is the wand on the mascara right there. So a nice little mascara from Benefit. Okay, next up in here we have something from Cargo Cosmetics. This is their Essential Lip Color. Here's what that looks like. This one does look like it's going to be a full size. I have not tried their lip, what are these called again? Their lip colors, but I have tried a few products from the brand's Cargo Cosmetics, and I have enjoyed most of the products I've tried from them. So here it is. It definitely is a full size. So here's what it looks like. And it looks like a really pretty like rosy pink shade. Go ahead and swatch it here for you. Ooh, that is really nice. So it is actually more of a true pink shade, but it looks really pretty. I don't know exactly what kind of formula this is, but it's in the shade Kyoto. So it says a smooth, creamy, yet lightweight formula delivers high pigment, will pay off while leaving your lips perfectly hydrated and volumized throughout the day. So it's gonna be more of a hydrating lipstick, but a long-lasting lipstick. So this is really nice to get in here. Okay, up next we have something from Naria. This is a triple action eye cream. Here is what this one looks like. So this is a full size again, so a nice full size eye cream right here. So it has mulberry, cucumber, and ginseng, and then they say that they've been used for centuries to diminish the appearance of dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness. So it says you can use this AM and PM. Oh, how fun. They also included a little makeup eraser. I love these. I've been using them for a long time. I actually have mine right here. It's all dirty. And if you guys have never heard of these, they're actually just a towel that you use to remove your makeup. And I think that this is just like a little mini one. So it is a little mini guy. I actually like the mini size. I don't have one of these, but this would be nice if you want to use it just for like your eye makeup or if you're traveling. So basically all you do to this is you just add water and you can remove your makeup. So you can use it to remove, like I said, eye makeup, face makeup, anything with this, you just have to add water. It does also have an exfoliating side. So there's two different sides. You just have a regular side and then you can turn it over and exfoliate your face as well. I love these. I use them. Like I said, I have a ton of them. That's really cool to get in here. I like the fact that it's like a little mini too. That's nice for travel. So next up in here we have something from Primera, and this is a hydrating illuminator. And it's a water cream, so it does look like this one is going to be a deluxe size. So here is what it looks like, and it says it's a nourishing moisturizer that also protects. So this is just going to be like a hydrating, glowy moisturizer. It is a small sample, but I feel like you could get quite a few uses out of that one. And then we have two more products in here. So we also have from Ila Lorazzo, New York. This is their multitask eye serum mask. Cool. So you get a little eye mask in here. I feel like we have a lot of eye products, skincare products in here, which is nice. So a little set of eye masks. And then there's also one more thing in here, and this is from Lorizzi, and this is a multi-purpose liquid illuminator. And this one is in the shade Topaz. Go ahead and show it to you guys. So it's a liquid beam. So I'm assuming you could use this in different ways. Maybe as like a liquid highlight or as a lip gloss, an eye color. It looks really pretty. Here is a swatch of it right there. I think that'd be gorgeous as like a highlight if you blend it out a little bit. Really pretty. I like that. I have tried a few things from Lorizzi, but I've never tried like this type of product. So since it's a multi-purpose, I guess you could use it for a bunch of different ways. So I think this box is pretty good. I mean, again, it's only $15. You got the full-size eye product, the little mini makeup eraser. I think the full size of these ones are like $20, so that's a good value. We got the little mini mascara, the full-size eye cream, also the full-size lip from Cargo as well, and then we got the travel size little skincare here, and then we also got the eye mask. So I think that this is a pretty good box. I mean, again, it's only $15. You did get quite a few full-size products in here. Let me know down below if you guys have gotten your Allure Beauty Box this month and what you received in your box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and also subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.